Okay, we got a 2020 Toyota Corolla. They went ahead and left the car on full brakes. We finally got the car back from the dealer. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, because what happens to these vehicles, or any type of vehicle that has a factory alarm system, doesn't come with any type of shock shock sensor, glass shock sensor, or wheel shock sensor. So this is an add-on kit to the factory alarm, so you don't have to carry another remote control around. Everything remains the same. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the vehicle, on the tire now. It's already installed. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it, and you'll see the factory alarm will fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. I don't want to bother the neighbors. It'll ring for 3.5 minutes if you don't cut it off, and then I'll reset itself. And then I go ahead and do the windows, and that should fire off the alarm system as well. When you arm the factory alarm, you have to give it a few 30 seconds for that little lock and dash to start flashing. If you have one of these vehicles and you want to check to see if your car came equipped with a factory alarm system, because you have a remote control that locks and unlocks your door, that doesn't guarantee anything. Lower the driver's window down, close the door, hit lock, wait about a minute, and then reach in and open the door from the inside, see if the factory alarm fires off. And then if you do, then you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and that will fire off the alarm. Okay, and that will protect both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side to avoid the emails that we only hit one side of the car, and you know, people will wonder, oh, is it gonna do the other side? It just, of course, it does the whole car from bumper to bumper. So give it 30 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the other tire here. And that's pretty much it. I don't think I'm not gonna sit here and bore everybody by hitting every corner of the vehicle. So give it a few more seconds. I'm gonna go ready and hit the tire.